How to access our online iconography courses. Step 1. Sign up for Vimeo. To get started, you'll need to create a free account on Vimeo. Visit the Vimeo website. Use this QR code or click the link provided in the description of this video. Click on Join. This screen will appear. You can choose Continue with Google if you have an active Google account, or enter your email address. Then click Continue with Email. You'll see the next screen. Fill in your first and last name. Create a password. Make sure to save your email and password somewhere safe. Complete the form as required. Click Join Vimeo. You're now registered on Vimeo. Step 2. Choose the iconography course that's right for you. Visit our dedicated course page. Scan this QR code or click the link in the video description. From there, watch a short video summarizing the course content, or go straight to the course page on Vimeo. You'll find the complete syllabus. Step 3. Rent or subscribe. To access the full course, click Rent All. This screen will appear, allowing you to pay via PayPal or credit card. Your 3-month subscription will begin immediately. Not ready for a full subscription? You can rent individual videos to preview the course quality. In this case, you'll have access to the video for 72 hours. Exclusive free resources for full subscribers. For full course subscribers, where applicable, we'll send you free additional materials, photos of the various stages, the first drawing, studies with red pencils, the color chart. These are essential resources for creating your icon. To receive these materials, email us at the address provided. You'll receive the files via WeTransfer within a few days. Enjoy your course and happy learning.